Good noon to each and every student of GS Public School. Here I understand your mental agony that you are suffering nowadays in this period of pandemic Corona COVID-19. At first follow some safety and healthy rules directed by our Prime Minister Modi ji and WHO guidelines. So first of all, stay at home and be fit. Wake up early in the morning, do properly yoga and exercise, take the dietary and fibrous food. Don't step out at your home and follow the rules of some guidelines that our teachers had given to all of you. You know very well what is the safety rules. Safety rules has been taught to you well in your schools, in your classes. So follow that safety and healthy rules, because Modi mantra that you know very well, जान है तो जहान है, and corona I mean कोई रोड पर ना निकले, then you can win the coronavirus or COVID-19. Now this time I think you are feeling a lot of problems at your home. Guardians are also thinking that what will be of your child, what will be of the students who are studying in various types of school, in whether they are in English medium or they are in Hindi medium. Problems are same for both of the medium, but if you follow some rules, some guidelines of the teachers that is being online here, you can be fit at home also. For example, online education is being given to all of you of science, English, SST and so on many more subjects. I know you are facing a lot of problems, but problems are for you. This has been taught to you well. For example, if you are going to understand well the theories, principles of science, then you can understand at your home grammar rules of English and Hindi. You can also understand, you can also read, write and learn well for the academic session. If the problem is arising at your home, you can also WhatsApp to your teachers and you can ask the questions related to your books, questions related to your chapters of your concerned teachers. But in mainly we want to say that this COVID-19 we will get over it very soon and we will win this COVID-19 very soon or as soon as possible. Thank you.